Excited because in this brief video, I'm going to show you a simple, proven, state-of-the-art tool to substantially grow any business for free. And once you see how powerful our state-of-the-art tool can grow any business, it'll be clear why so many people want to know how they can share it for free with others and earn a lucrative income. Now, the reason you can earn a lucrative income giving away our valuable tool for free is because many people love our tool so much they want to upgrade, which is purely optional. And even though anyone can use our state-of-the-art tool for free, I'm going to share with you a very unique special offer that is limited for just 300 people. So while this offer is not for everyone, it can literally be life-changing. So therefore, I urge you to set aside everything and watch this presentation right now before our limited offer is gone forever. So how can we help virtually any business substantially grow their business for free? Introducing our automated messenger bot known as Barry the Bot. So what can our automated bot do for you? Well, number one, it can build a much larger list of prospects. Number two, dramatically increase the response rate when you need to respond to your prospects. That will help you easily increase your sales. You can also improve support by automating frequently asked questions. You can therefore save yourself a whole lot of time. Automate engaging training so that people learn more, and when people learn more, they earn more. They'll want to do more business with you. You can brand yourself as a leader. You can even make money giving away our very valuable free bot system, and so much more. So how can our automated messenger bot do all of these things for you, plus a whole lot more? First, let's talk about building a much larger list of prospects compared to traditional web pages that are very static. And what I mean by that is they don't change. We can easily put an automated messenger bot on web pages. And when that happens, that is going to impress your prospects because our automated messenger bot is very interactive and therefore encourages participation. For example, when prospects are asked questions, Barry automatically captures their information, which is huge. Now, that also gives you permission to follow up with them. Now, Barry's very smart and he even knows your prospect's name and their picture. And that's huge because we'll be able to take their name and their picture and put it into personalized videos later, and that will blow their mind. Now, this will wow your prospects, like I said, blowing their mind, dramatically increasing their interaction with you. Now, prospects also are prompted for their email, which is automatically displayed. That's huge because then all your prospects need to do is with one click, they're giving you their email address. And not just any email address, but their real email address. Now, prospects are also prompted for their phone number, which is automatically displayed as well. And again, with just one click, they've now given you their phone number, and not just any phone number, but their real phone number. But that's not all. We automatically capture a lot more information from your prospects without even asking them for it. For example, information such as their gender, their time zone, their country, their picture, their previous actions that they've taken with you, like did they buy something or not, and a whole lot more. Now, remember I said our bot will dramatically increase response rate. What do I mean by that? And therefore easily increase sales. Let's talk about those two things. Barry allows you to follow up in ways that get a lot more exposure with your follow-up and response from your prospects. So instead of just using email like many systems do, Barry will allow you to follow up with Facebook Messenger and SMS or texting. Messenger and SMS open rates are anywhere generally in the 70 to 95% range compared to open rates of email that are just 3 to 8%. That is literally about 10 times the response. So if you're a marketer, would you rather have 3 to 8% or 10 times that? Now, earlier I talked about improving support by automating frequently asked questions, saving you a lot of time, as well as automating engaging training. Let's show you how that can happen. Now, when you create these automated messenger conversations, if you want to take advantage of the special offer that I have for you here today, you can create any conversations that you want. You can ask whatever questions you want. You could train people whatever way you want, and you can have animated GIFs. Those are like little short, they look like little videos that again keep people engaged so that they continue to take your training. Now, automated messenger conversations can also respond differently based on whatever input. So for example, let's say you have a question with multiple different answers. If your prospect selects the first answer, you could send them to a certain question. If they select a different answer, you could send them down a different path. This makes it easy for you to give them just what they want so they're not overwhelmed with a whole bunch of information. Most marketers try and have a website sell everything to everybody. Prospects get overwhelmed. There's a saying in marketing, a confused mind says no, so people end up not buying. Now, your conversations can be very simple or they can be very detailed, whatever you want. And even if you want those conversations created for you, that can be done for a very nominal fee. Now, you can also dramatically improve support for clients by automating answers to their questions so that you're not answering the same things over and over and over again. That will save you a whole lot of time and effort. And let's talk about branding yourself as a leader. Remember, I mentioned that earlier. By having your own automated messenger bot lifetime account, which is what our special offer is here for you, you can have your own logo, you can have your own name, and establish yourself there and brand yourself as a leader. Again, you can have multiple choice questions, and therefore you don't overwhelm your prospects by giving them only the information that they want, so that based on whatever answer they give you right off the bat, you send them down a particular path. Now, this will help sort your prospects for you so that you can spend time only with serious people that are really interested in what you have to offer, and that's going to help you make a lot more sales with a lot less effort while having a lot more fun. Now, I mentioned earlier a very special limited offer, which is your own lifetime automated messenger account. Now, when you have your own lifetime account, you can create your own what we call scripts or messenger conversations. And you can also create unlimited conversations with unlimited contacts at no monthly fee ever. Now, without a custom account and this special offer that we're offering, you will not be able to create your own conversations, or again, we're just calling those scripts. And without a lifetime account, you would have to pay a monthly fee forever for every single contact that you generate. Now, without a lifetime account, you can get, remember, our free bot system free for up to 100 contacts, but then you would pay a monthly fee forever based on the number of contacts that are generated by our automated messenger bot, and that could get quite substantial over time. However, lifetime accounts allow you to not only create unlimited custom conversations, but limited accounts also have no monthly fee, so you never have to worry about having a lot of contacts because you pay absolutely nothing. Now, in addition to writing your own scripts, we also provide you scripts, and we're highly motivated to do that because when we do that, that's going to help clients generate more leads or more contacts. Now, we will even include a script to give away our free bot system, and that's huge because every person who wants our free bot system will become a contact for you. So again, just to summarize, without a lifetime account, there are two options. You can either use our system for free, or you could pay a monthly fee if you want a custom system where you can create your own conversations. But doing so starts out at $30 a month if you want to create your own conversations, and you're going to see that the option we have for you for lifetime is ridiculously valuable. Okay, so again, we allow anyone to have it free for up to 100 contacts, then they start paying a monthly fee. And remember, every free bot account that you give away will generate a contact. So let's see what the cost would be if you generated, let's say, 10,001 contacts over time and you used it for just 5 years. Well, using our free system, you would be paying in that case $90 a month, over 5 years, which is 60 months, that would be $5,400. Now, what if you didn't have that many contacts? Maybe just 5,001. That would be $60 a month over 5 years. That would be $3,600. What if you only had 2,501 contacts over 5 years at $40 a month? That would be $2,400. And these estimates, by the way, they assume that we don't ever increase our price. They also assume that you only use it for 5 years. And as a marketer, why would you want to stop using it? And they assume that you're not using our custom option where you can create your own conversations, which is more money. So these estimates that I gave you could be a whole lot higher, but we don't want you to pay $5,400 if you had 10,001 contacts and paying $90 a month. We don't even want you paying $60 a month or $3,600. We don't want you even paying $40 a month or $2,400. So what does our lifetime account include? Again, well, unlimited contacts at no monthly fee ever, and your ability to create your own custom conversations at no charge ever. But that's not all. Get excited, guys, because let me share with you what else you get. Lifetime bot referrals earn you a one-time bonus of $150. Now, to earn a lifetime bot purchase on a lifetime bot purchase, you must be a lifetime bot owner. So let me show you how that works. Let's imagine that you invite Jack, who joins our free bot system pre-launch for free, and Jack invites Tina, who joins for free, who invites Steve, who joins for free, and Ellen joins for free. And we're going to imagine that you become a lifetime bot member. Now let's imagine that Ellen decides to become a lifetime bot member as well. Now if Jack, Tina, and Steve do not become a lifetime bot member, so Jack says no, Tina says no, Steve says no, then the $150 commission from Ellen would go to the first lifetime bot member above her, and guess who that would be? That would be you. You would get that $150 commission from Ellen. Now in this example, Ellen was 4 levels below you, but Ellen could be unlimited levels below you, and her $150 commission would still go to you if you're the first lifetime bot member above Ellen. Now, to make this really exciting, we have an automated email notification system to motivate a lot more people to take action, because Steve, once he gets that email and finds out, oh, I lost $150, because he'll learn in that automated email that Ellen bought the lifetime bot, and because he didn't own it, he lost out on Ellen's $150 commission. So let's say now Steve decides, hey, I don't want to miss out anymore. I like the lifetime bot. I was thinking about it, but now I'm not going to wait anymore. So Steve decides to buy the lifetime bot. Guess what happens? Another $150 commission is earned for you, and also that would automatically trigger another automated email, which could motivate Tina, because now Tina's gotten 2 emails telling her that twice she lost $150 commission from Ellen, she lost $150 commission from Steve. Most importantly, she's missing out on having the amazing lifetime member for our bot account forever. So let's say Tina decides she wants to upgrade. Guess what? That earns you another $150 commission, and guess what else? It will automatically trigger another email, which could motivate Jack to upgrade and decide that he also wants to get the lifetime bot, which would generate another $150 commission for you. So what is the one-time lifetime fee to have your own lifetime bot account? Well, it is just a one-time fee of $497. Again, you eliminate ever paying any monthly fees, as well as having the ability to create unlimited conversations on your own. Plus, you get the opportunity to earn $150 commissions for everybody underneath you that decide that they want to buy the lifetime bot. Now, remember I mentioned earlier, there are only 300 lifetime licenses, and they are first come first serve, so they are going to go very quickly. So to make sure that you do not miss out, just click the yellow button below this video, and you will be extremely glad that you did. If you think this is a marketing ploy, well, try getting a lifetime account when our counter shows 0. We have a counter on the site, and it will count down every time someone's getting a lifetime bot. So I therefore urge you to click the yellow button underneath this video. Go ahead and get it. You will be so